Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming attic access and switching off the fan circuit breaker, safety first. Once done, measure the duct run and mark the roof location between rafters, allowing 1 to 2 inches clearance. Cut a pilot hole from inside to verify placement, then transfer that out. Now position the sloped roof flashing under lifted shingle tabs and over cut opening. Once aligned, screw flange to deck with corrosion-resistant screws. From the attic, slide a short 90-degree elbow into the collar, then connect 4. To finish, trim excess flashing, install the roof cap over the flashing collar, and secure it with corrosion-resistant screws through the flange into decking. Once done, seal all exposed screw heads and shingle laps with roof-grade caulk and replace any removed shingles. Make sure the duct runs downhill to the cap and strap the duct to framing for support. If you get persistent backdrafts, add a backdraft damper at the fan or cap and recheck seals. That usually resolves airflow or leak problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.